Hey guys, it's your girl Princess Nini. How's all my prince and princesses? Welcome back to the Castle of Mukbang. So today, what we're doing is rallies or checkers in some areas for some people. I think it's only on the West Coast, I'm not sure. But today what we're doing is a cheese champ combo. So it's got lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, and we got some fries and a fruit punch drink. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that way you guys are never late for a video and you don't miss out. So I know it's been a while. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in because I haven't ate yet. So I know it's been a while, but like I said, until things really take off, it's gonna be a while before I can start doing videos every day or every other day. But I am happy to be able to come back and give you guys a video. I miss you guys. I appreciate you guys supporting, leaving your comments down below. You know, also, if you guys are new, I do burp and smack. I don't feel it's excessive, but if you feel it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry, this may not be the video for you. Now, I love Rally's fries. These are one fries that I feel you don't need ketchup for. I know some people are ketchup lovers, but I really love the fact that they're seasoned fries and I don't need anything to dip them with. Let's go ahead and bite into this. I can smell the onions, and generally I get no onions because sometimes the onion slices are so thick and it overpowers the burger, but theirs are thinly sliced, and I told them no onions, but they put them on there anyway, and I'm kind of glad because I can smell it. And I've been smelling onions lately and I've been wanting them. So let's go ahead and take our bite. Yeah, that's good. I wanted Burger King originally because I wanted to do the jalapeno king burger, but unfortunately I guess they had a grease fire or something like that, so they're actually closed right now while they're getting that under wraps. So I was kind of disappointed. So good. Like I said, I haven't ate today, y'all, so I'm definitely hungry. Sorry for the background noise. Must have been my phone going off. This is so satisfying right now. I probably should have got a double. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. What's today, Thursday? I hope you guys are enjoying your week. It's almost the weekend. And it's Thursday night football too. So I'm definitely excited. I love football and basketball. I was disappointed they weren't doing the large fry for the $1 anymore. I guess they felt some type of way about giving up that much delicious fries for only $1. And then those onions are actually really good. Like I said, I like onions. I just don't like when they're sliced so fat. I mean, it takes over the burger. I hate that. So you don't get to taste all the flavors. But that's perfect. So I was hoping to do a crab leg mukbang today, but because like I've said in previous videos, I have moved recently. So the crab legs that I had are in the deep freezer. So I just need to check and make sure that they're still good. And if so, then I'll be getting that going sooner than later. So good. I have to burp, but it's not coming out. Okay, there we go. Excuse me. There was no point in me taking another bite trying to enjoy that, knowing I had to burp. Man. So, yeah, nothing too major. No major changes. I mean, I got some of my furniture in the house now, so I'm happy about that. And then, like I said, hopefully I should be getting my bar stool soon. I just haven't found the ones that I like, especially with the setup and how everything is. I want to make sure I get the right ones and things aren't too big. I always seem to have my volume up on my phone. When I'm doing these. So sorry about that. I sound like offer up. Wow. That was truly good. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I know it was a quick one. I feel like I practically inhaled my food, but like I said, I was extremely hungry and I hadn't eaten, so I figured I would share with you guys. Oh man, it's so good. I'm happy now. That definitely worked out. So, I love my little shirt. It got Mickey on it. But, yeah, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I will definitely try to get back, hopefully, this weekend. Ooh, excuse me. I'm hoping. If not, then you know it'd be sometime next week, of course. I try to at least keep you guys with at least one video a week at bare minimum. But like I said, I'm really trying to make sure I check on this crab leg so I can do the crab leg mukbang. I really, really, really want to do it because I'm going to go all out. And I'm going to try to get some corn and potatoes and things like that. I look forward to doing my first crab leg one with the beloved sauce, so I will pick those ingredients up as well. At least that's the plan. So we'll see. We're just gonna play it by ear right now. But I thank you guys for joining in and tuning in. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and your notification bell so you're reminded every time that I do an upload. And if you guys have been here before, I again thank you guys so much for your love and respect and the positive feedback. I look forward to growing our family. So feel free to share your video with anyone that you think may enjoy as well along with you guys. Again, you guys take care. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.